Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 25, OV 100. नशिबी नाही संतान, हेची ज्योतिर्विद्येचे निदान. अण्णा होते पूर्ण जाणून, निराश होऊन बसलेले. According to the stars in his horoscope, he had no children. This was the outcome of the knowledge of astrology. Anna knew this very well and had given up all hope. तथापि हे आश्वासन, साई संतमुखीचे वचन, पुनश्च आशा झाली उत्पन्न, समर्थ प्रसन्न होताची. Yet these were the words of assurance from the Saint Sai. Hope dawned again as the Samartha was propitious. असो पुढे कालांतरे, सफल झाली बाबांची अक्षरे, संत प्रसादामरांकुरे, संतती फलभरे प्रसवली. Be it so, after some time, Baba's words came true. As the prasad of the saint germinated and bore fruit, the children were born. जैसे बोलले तैसेच घडले, आपुले ज्योतिष निष्फल झाले, साईंचे बोल अमोघ ठरले, जाहली मुले वचनोक्त. It happened as it was said. Anna's own forecast was proved to be wrong. Sai's words turned out to be fruitful. Sons were born as he had promised. असो ही तो बाबांची वैखरी, बाबा असता देहधारी, परी पुढेही देहत्यागानंतरी, स्वयं निर्धारी निज महिमा. May it be whatsoever. This was Baba's speech when Baba was in body. Later, even after he left the body, he had determined the greatness of his speech. झालो जरी गतप्राण, वाक्य माझे मानाप्रमाण, माझी हाडे तुर्बती मधून, देतील आश्वासन तुम्हास. Even when I pass away, believe in my words. From my tomb, my bones will give you assurance. मी काय पण माझी तुर्बत, राहील तुम्हासवे बोलत, जो तीस अनन्य शरणागत, राहील डोलत तयासवे. Not only I, but my tomb would be speaking, moving, and communicating with those who surrender themselves wholeheartedly to me. डोळ्या आड होईन ही चिंता, करू नका तुम्ही मज करिता, माझी हाडे ऐकाल बोलता, हितगुज करिता तुम्हासवे. Do not worry that I shall be hidden from your eyes. You will hear my bones speak and discuss your welfare. मात्र माझे करा स्मरण, विश्वासयुक्त अंतःकरण, ठेवा करा निष्काम भजन, कृतकल्याण पावाल. Always remember me only. Believe in me heart and soul. Pray without selfish motives and you will attain your welfare. हे भक्त काम कल्पतरो, समर्थ साई श्री सद्गुरो, हे माड तुझिया चरणान अंतरो, भाकी परोपरी हे करुणा. O Sai Sadguru, the wish-fulfilling tree of the devotees, let not Hemad forget and lose sight of your feet. धाव पाव गा गुरुवरा, भक्त जन करुणा करा, उसंत नाही या संसारा, येर झरा पुरे आता. O Guruvara, the one who is compassionate towards the devotees, make haste and reach us. There is no respite in the worldly affairs. Free us from the cycle of births and deaths.